Hello, today I am going to discuss and share with you about the PLC RSLogix programming project. So today project involve the application of timers, both on delay timer and off delay timer. So let me close this file and open a new file. Okay, let me create a few rungs and insert few instructions. So in today's videos, I will use latch and unlatch instructions. Okay, this is a latch and this is a unlatch. If you are not sure about these latch unlatch instructions, please refer to my previous videos. Then I put some instructions here. Okay, so I use timer. Click the timer or counter tab, and then I will select on delay timer, then put here, as well as off delay timers. Okay, then here I put another virtual switch, maybe one more round. Okay, okay, so this time instead of using the digital input, I will use binary. Okay, again, if you are not sure what file type number to put for binary, you can refer to these data files. All right, this data file show you the number. The binary number is the 3. Okay, binary 3 column. Okay, and then if you're not sure, you can open the data files. Okay, start with word 0. Okay, it can be word 0, word 1, word 2, etc. One word consists of 16 bits, start from bit 0 to bit 1 to bit 2, etc. until bit 15, right? Okay, so word 0, okay, slash, I use bit 0. Okay, you can use any bit that you want. Okay, this one means latch input. Okay, you can put any description that you want. Here you can use any output. Maybe I use binary. Okay, okay, word 0, maybe I use word 1 slash bit 0. Okay, this one I don't want to put any description. Here I use binary 3 column word 0 slash bit 1. This one I say unlatch input. All right, this one I'll copy the same address to here. Okay, why? Because this latch and unlatch instruction work together hand in hand, so they both must use the same address. Okay, such as in this case. So I will copy this address to here. Okay, and then this one to here. Okay, for this timer I must give an address. Again, you are not sure, you can click the data file here to refer the address. Okay, this one I intend to use more than one timers. So when you can click property under elements box, you can click as many elements that you want. Let's say I want about 3 timers, then click OK. So 3 timers will appear here. Okay, so I will use timer 4 column 0. Okay, so timer 4 column 0. It can be any number, can be 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 255. Okay, it's up to you which one you want to use. So this one I will use timer 4 column 1. Okay, okay, so the time base or multiplier I leave it at 1. The preset I will put maybe 5 seconds. So the timing set point is preset multiplied by time base. 5 multiply 1 equal to 5 seconds. Okay, for this preset maybe I'll put about let's say 10 seconds. Okay, so timing set point for this off delay timer is 10 times 1, 10 seconds. Okay, I will just put maybe timer 4. Okay, I will use this maybe done bit. Okay, can drag to here, or you can key timer 4 column 0 slash done bit. Okay, this one I use timer 4 column. Okay, I will use this one for timer off delay 1 and slash done bit. Okay, this one maybe I will say maybe fan blowing. Okay, this one right click, can edit the description. I will say maybe horn. Okay, so I will put some output here. I will put the virtual output coil here, and then this one maybe I use digital output column. Okay, slot 0 slash bit maybe 0. So the description I will say horn. This one I will copy to here, and description I will use fan blowing, and then the bit I will change to 1. Fan blowing. This one is a horn. Okay, then this description maybe I will add some detail to the description. Maybe I say timer on for horn. Okay, and this one is a timer off for fan blowing. Okay, let me compile the file by clicking this verify file as well as verify project to make sure there's no error, and then I click this arrow and I click download. Okay, you can save the file into the computer hard disk, wherever directory that you want. Okay, maybe I will say I will name it project timer. Maybe I will say timer. Alright, and save. Okay, then I click again, I click run, then you will start to run. Okay, so here binary tree. Okay, maybe I put the double click the timer here, and then double click the binary here. Okay, so how this programming works is when I manually trigger the virtual binary switch from normally open to close, the virtual power will flow through this rung and energize this latch output coil. So when this is energized, it will be continue to latch on, meaning it will continue to energize. And this will cause both these virtual switch, which is binary tree colon 1/0 to trigger from normally open to close. And then the virtual power will flow through these two rungs to energize both these timers. Alright, as we know, when timers, whether it is an on delay timer or off delay timer, as long as the timer is energized, the enable bit as well as done bit will be activated. Once the timer is de-energized, both enable and done bit will be deactivated, right? So once this timer on is energized, what happens is, because it is a timer, it will have some delay of about 5 seconds. How we know the timer timing set point? The preset value multiplied by time base value, you will get the timer timing set point. In this case, 5 second times 1 is equal to 5 seconds. So after 5 second delay, this done bit will be activated. And because of this timer 4 colon 0 slash done bit, which belong to D1, belong to this one, will then be triggered from normally open to close, and the virtual power will flow through this rung to energize this virtual output coil. Hence, will then activate the external load, which is on. Okay, as we know, this rung is also will cause the timer of delay be energized, right? So once this virtual switch is triggered to close, as in this case, the virtual power will energize this off delay timer. And because of this enable as well as done bit is activated, just like in this one. Okay. Later, I will set this switch to off, meaning to manually trigger this binary tree colon 0 slash bit 1 switch from normally open to close, and the virtual power will flow through this rung to energize this virtual unlatched output coil. And then this will cause both this binary tree colon 1 slash bit 0 to normalize, meaning to change from close to open. Because of this, it will cause both rung lose its virtual power, and then the timer of delay will be de-energized. Once it is de-energized from the initial energized state, what will happen? The done bit will be deactivated, right? However, because it is a timer, it will have some delay. This timer off will have a delay of about 10 times 1 is 10 seconds. So it will have about 10-second delay. Then this done bit will be deactivated. Okay, so in other words, once this timer off delay or off delay timers is energized initially, the done bits is activated, right? So this timer virtual switch is initially triggered from normally open to close, and the virtual power will flow through this rung to energize this virtual output coil and cause the external load, which is fan, to blow the fan, blowing the fan, right? And then once the timer of delay is de-energized, after 10 seconds, the done bit will be deactivated, and then this will be normalized. And then this virtual switch will be de-energized, and then the external fan will stop blowing. Okay, let me demonstrate for you. Okay, you can right click here and then toggle the bit, or you can maybe I pull down here a bit, binary you can put here, and then timer making we can put here. See carefully what will happen. Okay, let me demonstrate. You can see after 5 seconds this will be triggered to close. Alright, the done bit is activated. However, for this done bit of the off delay timer, it is activated immediately. Why? Because once the timer is energized, both done bit and enable bit will be activated too. Okay, so what happened if I unlatch this input? Okay, so once I unlatch, both this one will be normalized and both timer will be de-energized. Once this de-energized, the done bit for this timer on delay, which is this one, will be normalized. Thus, will de-energize this virtual output coil. And this will be, because this is energized too, what happened is, because it is an off delay timer, it have a delay about 10 seconds before this done bit is deactivated, meaning after 10 seconds this one will be open. Okay, let's see this is deactivated, but this is deactivated after 10 seconds. Then you can see this will be deactivated or normalized. You see, so that's it.